Health at work isn't just about avoiding injuries or managing stress. It's about supporting the whole person. That's the heart of Total Worker Health. Total Worker Health is an NIOSH-developed strategy that integrates workplace safety, health promotion, and well-being into one connected approach. It's not just about fixing what's broken. It's about helping people move better, feel better, and thrive at work and at home. Physical and mental health go hand in hand. A sore back can lead to stress, and stress, that can lead to fatigue, burnout, or injury. That's why Total Worker Health focuses on both prevention and support. From better posture to better coping skills, programs that support physical, emotional, and even financial health help workers bring their full selves to the job and bring more home at the end of the day. Education plays a big role. Teams learn how to spot the signs of physical strain and mental overload and what to do next. When companies invest in their people's total health, they see the benefits everywhere, from retention to performance to morale. Total Worker Health isn't just one more wellness program. It's a mindset, a foundation for safer, healthier, more resilient workplaces. Learn more about Total Worker Health. Visit medcor.com.